Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has responded to the Election Commission notice over his claim that the Haryana government was mixing poison in Yamuna. In a 14-page reply, Arvind Kejriwal said that his remarks were made in context of an urgent public health crisis over drinking water quality in the city. He said in his response that the alleged statements attributed to him were made as his public duty to highlight the severe toxicity and contamination of raw water received from the BJP-ruled state. In fact, the former Delhi Chief Minister's response quotes a DJB CEO letter, that is a Delhi Jal Board CEO letter, even though the official in question has already refuted the allegations as baseless and misleading. We spoke to a DJB insider. Listen in. Okay, before we take you through that reaction, there is some breaking news that's now coming in because there's no end to the politics over the Yamuna water and the claims that have been made. After you saw the Chief Minister of Haryana drink the Yamuna water, now it is the Aam Aadmi Party leaders who are planning to protest at the BJP headquarters. What are they going to do? They have decided to take Yamuna water to the BJP headquarters. And to get us more details on this, let's go across to Tejshri. Tejshri, what time is this protest going to start? How is the Aam Aadmi Party? Who's going to lead this protest? And how is the Aam Aadmi Party planning to corner the BJP on the entire matter?
Well, see, what we're expecting is that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are going to head towards the BJP headquarters around 12 afternoon. And in fact, what we are being also told is that they are going to take Yamuna water with them, whose ammonia level will be around 7. And that particular water will be taken to the BJP headquarters. Okay. That will certainly be a protest by Aam Aadmi Party, because we have been seeing that there is a war of words underway as far as the pollution over Yamuna is concerned. And this is not something new as far as the Delhi Assembly elections are concerned. This particular issue was raised in 2020 also, during NCD elections also, but ultimately there is no solution to it. There is only politics, only war of words are underway. Yesterday we saw that Nayab Singh
will be protesting in the afternoon. The focus is going to be on the charge and the counter charge between the AAP, the BJP, and now it's Rahul Gandhi also who's dared Arvind Kejriwal to drink the Yamuna water. How's that going to pan out? We'll tell our viewers about it. But Tejshri, thank you for getting us all those updates. Taking a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with Times Now.